Hello, I am Aditya Goel. I was born and brought up in Hamilton, Ontario. I pursued my bachelor's degree from McMaster University. There, I majored in electrical engineering and also obtained a minor in computer science and engineering. In my final year, I also served as the institute's cultural president after being elected by a strength of 1,000 students. Post my undergrad, I started working as a DevOps engineer for Rogers Communications. There, my projects mainly focused on designing systems that would automate various stages of software development lifecycle. After my 3 years stint at Rogers, I am currently pursuing my master's degree at McMaster University, specializing in systems engineering. My subjects focus mainly on artificial intelligence and cloud computing, and based on that, I am looking for full-time opportunities in the managerial field of DevOps and cloud engineering. Thank you. My day at Rogers Communication could be categorized into two parts. Firstly, my team was responsible for designing DevOps systems from scratch. This involved research and experimentation of probable solutions, and finally implementing them in our department's software architecture. Secondly, whatever we implemented in the system's architecture, we were responsible to manage and maintain it. So if ever there was a glitch in the system or any issues that was faced by a developer, it was our responsibility to troubleshoot and fix it. In addition to these two major responsibilities, I was also in charge of training the developers with whatever technologies we built, because eventually they too were going to use them. So this was what my normal day at Rogers looked like. I credit my major accomplishment to one of my early projects at Rogers. To give you a context, in software development, there is an operation called as deployment. In our department, this operation took place once in every 15 days and was performed manually. The entire process took up to 8 hours to finish, and some days would even get further delayed if some manual errors were made. My project was to design a system that would automate this entire operation using trending DevOps technology. It took me 6 months to complete this project. I learned and experimented with the technology and later on implemented it in our department's architecture. Once my project went live, we all were surprised to see how the operation now just completed within 1 hour, and also the chances of errors were reduced significantly. Moreover, the frequency of the operation increased from once in 15 days to now once in 7 days. Having made such an impact at my first job, I credit this to be one of my major accomplishments at work. Thank you. There are a couple of reasons why I would like to join CGI. Firstly, it is because of the job role that you are offering. Having worked as a DevOps engineer for 3 years, I feel now this is the correct time to make a transition from a purely technical role to a techno-business role. The position of a DevOps consultant at CGI would definitely help me take one step forward in my career ladder. And secondly, it is because of the CGI's brand. Being one of the top companies in the consulting domain, I am certain that there is a strong innovation culture in your offices and the employees work with passion and integrity. Since my values align significantly with CGI's values, I would be glad to serve your organization and would take full ownership of my tasks at hand. Thank you.